Here we have our Bronco, the Sandstorm. And today we're gonna be installing some rock lights. But anyways, this is what the lights look like. As you can see, these are RGBW, so they have, you know, the normal RGB lights, all the light shows and everything, but they have the white setting, which I like. It's cool to have the colors and stuff on every once in a while if you're at a car meet or something, but me personally on the trails, I like the white lights. If you're trailing at night, you can get up under the vehicle, you can see, you know, the ground around you, see what you hit, see what you missed. We got the rock lights on. These are RGB. I do have them on the white setting. You can kind of see the rainbow from the RGB. So it looks super sick. Kind of happy with the placement on the tires. Plenty of coverage. Yeah, those things are super bright. You can get more than 8. I got 8, 4 for each side. You can get more than that. But yeah, super awesome. Make sure you check out MICTUNING. They do have Bluetooth auxiliary switches too, if you guys are looking for auxiliary switches. But yeah, that's it for this video. Got those installed. Those are super cool. Bluetooth, app controlled, and it comes with a little control device that you can put in the vehicle as well.
Make it cool, MICTUNING.